Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Rocket Man on guitar. Start with the fundamental chords for Rocket Man. You'll primarily use G, C, D, M, and M. These are all open chords, making them accessible for many players. Focus on clean transitions between each chord. The song is in the key of G major, so these chords will sound natural and harmonious together. Mastering these 5 shapes is your first step to playing this classic tune. Next, let's tackle the strumming pattern. A common approach is a down-down, up motion. Practice this slowly to ensure each strum is clear. The song's tempo is around 73 beats per minute, so aim for a steady, relaxed feel. Pay attention to accenting the first and third beats in each measure. This will give your rhythm a strong, driving pulse, just like the original recording. Understanding the song's structure is crucial. Rocket Man typically follows a verse-chorus pattern, leading into a bridge and then back to the chorus before the outro. Each section has its own specific chord progression. For instance, the intro and outro often use a straightforward G to C progression. Pay attention to how these sections flow into one another, as this will help you navigate the entire piece seamlessly. To truly nail Rocket Man, consider using a capo on the 3rd fret if you want to play in the original key. This shifts the open chords to sound higher. Always practice with a metronome. It's essential for developing precise timing and a steady rhythm. Finally, listen to Elton John's original recording often. This helps you internalize the song's feel, dynamics, and nuances, making your performance more authentic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.